Croatia's Digital Nomad Visa, your gateway to work and wander. Imagine waking up to the serene view of the Adriatic Sea, starting your workday with a fresh cup of Croatian coffee, and wrapping up with a sunset stroll along ancient city walls. For many, this might sound like a fleeting vacation dream, but for digital nomads, it could be everyday life, thanks to Croatia's Digital Nomad Visa. Introduced with the vision to attract remote workers from around the globe, this program is not just a permit. It's your ticket to a balanced lifestyle, blending work with wanderlust. This essay delves deep into Croatia's innovative one-year residence program for digital nomads, exploring who it's for, how it works, and how you can be a part of this exciting opportunity. Ready to transform your work environment and lifestyle? Let's explore how the Croatia Digital Nomad Visa can open doors to new possibilities. The Digital Nomad Visa, by definition, is a legal authorization that allows foreign nationals to live and work remotely in Croatia for a period of up to 1 year, with the possibility of extension. This initiative was spurred by the global pandemic, which significantly shifted the paradigm of workplace environments. Historically, Croatia has been a tourist hotspot, but wanted to reimagine its potential to attract global talent and skills in a more sustained manner. The introduction of this visa is a strategic move to boost the local economy and showcase Croatia as a hub for international remote workers. To qualify for Croatia's Digital Nomad Visa, applicants must prove they are employed or own a business registered outside of Croatia. They should demonstrate a stable and sufficient monthly income to support their stay, along with standard health insurance coverage. Essential documents include a valid passport, proof of employment or business ownership, income statements, and a clean criminal record from the home country, emphasizing the government's focus on attracting reputable professionals. Primarily, the visa caters to IT professionals, creatives, and entrepreneurs who can perform their job remotely. However, any individual with the capability to work independently of location, provided they meet the set criteria, is eligible. The program mainly targets individuals from North America, Western Europe, and Australia, focusing on those regions with a high concentration of digital nomads. The application for the Digital Nomad Visa involves several steps, starting with gathering the necessary documentation like a passport, proof of employment, and income verification. Applicants must submit these documents either through the Croatian embassy in their home country or directly in Croatia if they are already there. Details on where to submit the application and any associated fees are clearly outlined on the official Croatian government website dedicated to this visa. To enhance the chances of visa approval, it is crucial to ensure all documents are thoroughly and accurately completed. A well-drafted cover letter explaining the intent to move to Croatia and how you fit into the digital nomad scheme can also add significant value to your application. Avoid common mistakes such as incomplete forms, lack of sufficient proof of income, or improper health insurance, which can delay or derail the process. Typically, the processing time for the Digital Nomad Visa can range from a few weeks to a couple of months, depending on the volume of applications and individual circumstances. The cost involves an application fee, which varies slightly depending on the applicant's nationality and where the application is submitted. Being prepared with the correct fee and understanding the timeline can help manage expectations and plan the move accordingly. Holding a digital nomad visa in Croatia opens up the unique opportunity to work in an environment that combines rich history with stunning landscapes, all while maintaining professional roles. This visa not only enhances personal growth and global exposure, but also positions Croatia as a forward-thinking country in the global digital economy. Compared to other nomad visas, Croatia offers a unique blend of lifestyle and professional opportunities, making it highly attractive to potential applicants. Living in Croatia as a digital nomad is cost-effective compared to many Western European countries. The cost of living includes affordable housing, food, transportation, and leisure activities, which are significantly lower than in cities like London or New York. The cultural and social environment is welcoming, with locals generally having a positive attitude towards foreigners, especially those contributing to the economy. Croatia offers a plethora of co-working spaces, especially in larger cities like Zagreb and Split. These spaces provide high-speed internet, essential for any digital nomad, along with opportunities for collaboration and networking. The technological infrastructure in Croatia is robust, ensuring that digital nomads can work efficiently and reliably. The digital nomad community in Croatia is burgeoning, supported by various networking events, meetups, and workshops specifically designed for remote workers. These opportunities allow for professional growth and personal connections, enhancing the overall experience of living in Croatia. Digital nomad hubs and online forums also play a crucial role in community building, offering support and advice to newcomers. Croatia offers high-quality healthcare services with options for both public and private care. Digital nomads must have health insurance that covers their stay, but can also access local healthcare once they are registered residents. Safety in Croatia is generally high, with low crime rates and a stable political environment. While the benefits are numerous, potential hurdles such as navigating a new tax system, understanding local laws, and dealing with possible language barriers must be considered. It's vital to be well prepared and possibly seek legal advice to ensure compliance with all local regulations. Understanding these aspects is crucial to a smooth transition and successful stay in Croatia. Numerous digital nomads have shared positive experiences of their time in Croatia, citing the high quality of life, excellent working conditions, and the beauty of the country as major perks. Case studies highlight the professional and personal growth many have experienced, further endorsing the program. These testimonials provide real-life insights and encourage others to consider Croatia as their next destination. The Croatian government has shown interest in continuing to enhance and possibly expand the Digital Nomad Visa program. With ongoing support and potential policy adjustments, the future looks promising for both Croatia and prospective digital nomads. This progressive outlook could position Croatia as a leader in the digital nomad sector globally. Croatia's Digital Nomad Visa is more than just a permit. It's an opportunity to redefine your work-life balance in one of Europe's most beautiful settings. By understanding the eligibility criteria, application process, and the benefits it offers, you can take a step towards an exciting, productive, and fulfilling lifestyle. Whether you're an IT professional, a creative, or an entrepreneur, this visa could be the perfect catalyst for a thrilling new chapter in your life. For further information and to start your application process, visit the official Croatian government website on Digital Nomad Visa. Here, you'll find application forms and detailed guidelines to assist you every step of the way. Embassy contact details are also provided for personalized assistance and inquiries. This section addresses common questions about the visa, such as the renewal process, tax implications, and how to find accommodation in Croatia, providing clear and concise answers to help applicants feel more secure in their decision-making process. For those looking to explore more about Croatia and its digital nomad visa, a curated list of websites, blogs, and forums offers valuable insights and community experiences. These resources are essential for anyone considering making the move and wanting to learn from the experiences of others. With this comprehensive guide, you're now equipped to consider whether Croatia's Digital Nomad Visa is your next step towards a life of adventure and professional fulfillment.